reversing camera. How to fit reversing camera. Under there is a number plate light that comes out, official wire from there, up through the back here and out into there. There you can see the wires also for reversing light. When you take this off, nobody tells you the screws, but also there is clips, so you have to push it to get the plastic, these plastic clips, because they lock on from the bottom. There. Otherwise you break it. These are the same clips, plastic clips, you have to pull them out after you've taken the screws from the bottom. This won't come all the way out because of that back seat. So, but you don't need it out. The wires you can get to from here. Once you take this off, screws again, and this you have to pull it, get it off of the clips, and then there's a grommet. As soon as you've just pulled the grommet off, the wires come through with the plugs. You'll see the two wires for the reversing light. The black one is ground, the other one, doesn't matter what code it is the live. Then you just feed your wire through from there once you've connected it up, through here, take these plastic things off, all the way through. Same with this one comes off. Up, same with here, and then through the glove compartment there, and up the back to the new wireless. Now these also, which I've fed through, come from the wireless, which is 2 USBs and a card reader. They just come down from there. That's the new unit in, and I can't finish it because I'm still waiting for the camera, because I made a mistake. I bought this unit from a different company than the camera, because I wanted the camera, I didn't want to drill holes, so I bought the camera from a different company which just do the it's a camera incorporated into the number plate light. You just swap them over, that's all. It's very simple. To take that one out, it's just little plastic clips, it comes, drops out, and you push the other one in. And so I'm waiting for that to come. This came, I couldn't wait, so I started putting this in, but the camera still not come. So that's why I haven't pushed it all back. I've just got it held there with tape at the moment. But you can see it's I've yet to program all this. I have programmed it for the switches and that, but that's all. You can do all that afterwards when it's fully in. But very simple. When you see all the wires, when it comes, you think, oh my god, you get overwhelmed. Don't, because it's all let me switch that off. It's all common sense, really. It's all little plugs that plug into the back. You don't have to do any soldering or there's only one wire that you have to actually join, which you can do. You don't even need to solder it. You can just join it, twist it together and put insulation tape on, or you can use a little plastic fittings that'll join two wires together, and that is for the reversing camera. But if you're not putting a reversing camera in, then you don't need, there is no joining to do. It's all just plugs. You just, the plugs that when you've taken them out, just make sure you take a photograph so that you know, absolute definite, the ones to put back in, and then check the little socket on the back of the unit, and then check the pins on the little plug, and make sure that they look the same, and because they're all different. So if you do that, you won't mix them up, but otherwise if you try forcing them in, you'll do damage. So but otherwise it's very, very simple to do. These come out of the it's all clips, it's all little clips. You can do with a small screwdriver. Just you'll see from the inside where the little lugs are, you press on those and they all come out. And so all these swap over. When you get the noose around for this to fit in, these all just swap over. It's all very simple really. And always when you think is for the reversing camera at the back, it's got to come here to the wires have got to come here to the front. So basically all it is on the camera is the video wire, which comes, that's a plug as well. There you just plug it in when there's a socket on the end of the wire, it just plugs in the back. But the other wire that goes to, it's a black and a red, that goes to live and to neutral, or live and ground in the car. Now if you were just to do those two wires, bring them up here, put them in, that would be it. But your camera, as soon as you turn your ignition on, your camera would come on, and it will be on all the while until you switch it off. If that's what you want, then that's fine, you can do that. But if you put it to the reversing lamp in the back, and then take it from the reversing lamp back to here, then when you put the car into reverse, that's when the camera comes on. It's like a switch wire. All you're doing really is breaking that wire. But they give you the two wires. You get the wires from the camera, and then you get an extension wire that goes from the back to the front. Plenty is 6 meters long or whatever it is. And they just connect up in the back. It's very, very simple. It's not rocket science. And the reversing lamp wire, which there was nobody told me, when you take it out, you can actually see it is plain as day. And the black is for ground or neutral, and there's only two wires on that reversing light at the back. The black one is for ground, neutral, and the red one is the live wire for the feed. So very simple, all very simple. Or alternatively, you can go and drive all the way to Dublin and let the Ukrainians put it in for you, and they'll charge you 350 quid for it. So there you are.